Bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn. If you're new to my channel, Wagwan, welcome. Into this video, as you guys can see, this lovely ash blonde hair. So I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial today on how I achieved this hair color from 613 blonde. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this, keep on watching, okay? The hair is from Yolissa Hair on AliExpress. I'm gonna leave their link in the description box, but I did dye this hair from a 613 blonde to an ash blonde, which is this look. For the roots of the hair, as you guys can see, it's kind of a little bit darker, and that's because I used the Streaks in Tips temporary hairspray. So this is a temporary spray in black, and I've used this before in one of my videos, and all I just did is just spray the roots from a distance, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, I am loving this hair so far. The hair does shed quite a lot. I don't know, in my opinion it sheds too much and it's kind of annoying, but yeah, it is looking nice, and I feel it does suit my complexion a lot. So guys, how I achieved this coil and little wave like pattern is that I braided my hair. I'm gonna insert a clip of what I did. I did this overnight. I just braided it in like little sections and I unraveled it, and it does look like this. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So first things first, you're gonna need your hair. I got my hair from Yolissa Hair on AliExpress. So I got a 4x4 closure, and then I got 3 bundles of these are all 613 blonde. So I did get 16 inches, 18 inches, and 20 inches, and a 14-inch closure. I'm gonna leave a link to this hair in the description box down below, so check that out. And to get ash blonde color, which is what I'm going for, I did get I got 4 of those Garnier dyes, but they are different. So because my goal was to buy ash blonde, and if you guys can see that, it is 81 ash blonde, but they only had 2 of that in the store. I got this from Walmart, so I got 2 ash blondes, and since they did not have any more ash blonde left, I did get 1 light ash blonde and 1 dark ash blonde. So this is 91 and 71. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description box. So my theory is I'm going to mix these 2 together to give me ash blonde, so that way the light and the dark complement each other and merge to get the middle kind of thing. And I'm gonna be mixing it with the 2 ash blonde. So 4 packs of hair dye for my 4 bundles. Well, 3 bundles and a closure. So let's get started, and let me show you guys what comes inside a box. So this one I haven't opened yet. So it does come with instructions, and right inside you guys get gloves as well, so you don't have to buy gloves for this, which is nice. So it comes with a pair of gloves. It comes with the developer cream. It comes with a conditioner, which is a nutritive cream conditioner with argan oil, which is amazing. And this is the color. So this is the light ash blonde color. So you just have to mix this with your developing cream and apply it all up in the hair. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory, and when you're all done, you condition your hair with your conditioner. But I'm also going to wash it with a shampoo first before I condition it. So let's get started. So this is what you guys are going to do. You open the cream, you press it open, you open the developer, pour the entire contents, squeeze it inside the applicator bowl. You guys, wear your gloves before you do this. I just realized I'm not putting on my gloves. Okay, so you just want to cover that up, right? And shake it away from your face. This is closed, so you can shake it freely without it spilling. And I'm gonna set it aside and do the same thing for the rest of the packs.
Give you all the things that nobody can stand. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Nobody can. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can.
I'm gonna use this shampoo to wash the hair, and I will be using the conditioner that came with the dye to condition the hair. So I'm just gonna wash the dye off and go ahead and use the product I just showed you guys.
Things that nobody can stand. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave the hair to air dry, and this is how much shedding I got just by dyeing the hair. And mind you guys, I did not comb the hair so much, so in my opinion this is a lot of shedding. But when I'm gonna style the hair and after I make the wig, I'm gonna comb the hair a lot more, and I expect more hair than this. So Yolissa hair, you guys need to do better because your hair sheds like crazy. And yeah, so I'm just gonna leave that all day to air dry. It does look kind of like gray. I don't even know what color this is, but that's okay because the hair is wet. So we're gonna come back when the hair is all dried, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, all right. This is how much hair I got when the hair was dried after I combed it out and styled it. So I got that much hair, that much shedding. That is it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and turn on your bell like notification so that way I post a video, you're gonna be the first to know. And yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. She said she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I mean they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me I give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man.